I'm Ava, a music therapist at Dynamic Links, and I'm going to show you some ways that we can make some movement props at home so we have something fun to dance with. After we make these different tools, we will play a song and move and dance a little bit together. So for this song, or for any of the other songs on our YouTube channel that you want a movement prop with, we could use a couple different things at home. Of course, you could use maybe a scarf that you like to wear, or a piece of fabric or cloth, maybe a cloth napkin, for example. We could also make our own ribbon. So I just have a hair tie here. You could also maybe use a rubber band and some pieces of different string and fabric. Maybe you could even use floss if you have any. Get creative. See what kind of different kinds of string you have. And then we're just going to tie it on to our hairband. I just have two I'm putting on mine. You can put on as many or as little as you want. You can hold it in your hand, maybe put it around your wrist, or to be silly, you could put it around your foot or ankle too. And we have something beautiful that we can wave around. Another option, maybe a little less colorful, could be just some shopping bags. So I have here a green produce bag to wave around. Another type of plastic shopping bag. And this is great too because maybe you could just throw it away when you're done with it and you wouldn't need to worry about cleaning it or sharing it, right? So here's some single-use kinds of scarves that we could make. For this song we're going to play too. You could also use any other type of instrument that you might have at home, or maybe an at-home shaker. One of my favorite at-home shakers is to use a vitamin bottle with the vitamins still in it. You can shake it in different ways. I think it has a pretty nice sound. Alright, so choose whatever kind of instrument or movement prop that you have at your home, and we're going to play a little game together. We're going to play a song called Follow a Friend from our Move, Sing, Breathe album. And for this song, we'll take turns being the leader, making up a different dance move, and we have to follow that friend. So if you need to pause the video in between leaders, go for it. But first, let's freestyle dance. Pick the first leader. How should we move? Maybe up high, maybe down low. Maybe shake it really fast. You pick. Let's do it. Move. Follow your friend. Move just like them. follow that friend. Follow a friend. Move just like them. Stop, watch, look, and move. 3, 2, 1, and freeze. Next leader. Follow a friend. Move just like them. Stop, watch, look, and move. 3, 2, 1, and freeze. All right, let's do one more leader. If you have more friends that want to take a turn, just go back in the video and play the song again. All right, last one. Follow a friend. Move just like them. Stop, watch, look, and move. 3, 2, 1, and freeze. All right, we gotta end with one more freestyle. Move however you want. 3, 2, 1, and